Pleasant day to you. My name is Steve and welcome back to Ielts. In the previous lesson we talked about how to stay on topic. This time we will discuss lesson 5, cohesive devices. Cohesive devices are words or phrases that show the connection of concepts and the shift from one sentence to another to help deliver or express ideas smoothly and in an organized manner. Cohesive devices have different functions, including sequencing or enumerating, illustrating, comparing and contrasting, reasoning, adding, rephrasing, highlighting, introducing and concluding. Some IELTS questions may require sequencing or enumerating. Some cohesive devices used in sequencing or enumerating include next, subsequently, and meanwhile. It is always ideal to give examples during your talk, since this is also a way to expand your sentences. Especially in part 3, where you need to elaborate or justify your answer. When illustrating, phrases such as for example, such as, and to illustrate are used. Cohesive devices are also important in answering questions about comparing and contrasting objects or ideas. Words such as alternatively, on the other hand, and nevertheless give clarity when changing points. It is essential in the IELTS speaking test to give reasons. This is another way to further explain your answer and give details even if the question does not require you to. When providing reasons, use words and phrases such as because, owing to, and due to. It is required in almost all parts of the test to give details and examples, but using the same cohesive devices repetitively is discouraged. These words can be used to introduce another point, reason, or example. Moreover, in addition, and on top of that, are cohesive devices often used when adding details and examples. The cohesive devices used in rephrasing help make a point clear. When rephrasing, phrases such as in other words, put more simply, and that is to say are encouraged. Emphasizing a point is sometimes needed, so the cohesive devices above all, in particular and especially, would help you give emphasis to a point. When answering questions, it's always good to have a good introduction. It is recommended to use phrases like to begin with, first of all, and I want to talk about when introducing a topic or statement. Conclude your answer effectively with the use of these cohesive devices. Overall, in brief, and in conclusion. These cohesive devices can be used to improve your flow of speech, since they differentiate the parts of the answer, introduction, body, and conclusion. These also improve your score in vocabulary and effectively support your points. However, overusing cohesive devices or using the wrong transition words or phrases can affect the band score. So, study the meaning of these devices and use them accurately. That's it for today's lesson. The last lesson of Chapter 2 is coming up, so be sure to study your notes. Until next time.